Kenneth, you want to go potty?
Yeah.
You do? Just earlier you said, I'm mad.
I'm mad.
You're mad? Ooh. Ooh. Let's take a picture. Oh, I can't take a picture. What the hell? You're mad. You're sad. You're happy. You're funny. You're mad. Happy. Surprise.
A brat.
Scared. You're gonna be an actor. Angry. Happy. Funny. Sad. You're sad. Oh. Do you angry again? That was funny. Angry.
Angry.
You're mad.
I'm mad.